guys. I feel
They
really
gave me
betrayed.
the gun. Wow, I love
How
that.
are you? What a Vatavaran, na? This is nice.
Vatavaran.
Vatavaran. I only think of, I know yesterday when I was talking to you on the fuzzy slangs and trying. So I'm outside the toilet. You know how there's always a line late night and stuff, right? Director, who's quite popular. She just taps me and she goes, of Huma Qureshi. And
You're
she
the
just
illegitimate child Sona
walks.
I never had.
Do you think? One second. First of all, it's feeling like a compliment.
Like, I will give you a
I was like,
compliment.
fuck, is she feeling offended?
No,
that
I mean, you have 2 dimples. I wish I had 1 at least. Like, I
Also talking about like why I created this show. I was talking to you yesterday
Yeah,
about
why?
it. हाँ, put your feet up. बनाना है. पैसे वैसे कौन? कहाँ? Where is the sponsor?
नहीं. Oh, shucks.
ये मेरे खुद के पैसे लगे हैं.
खून पसीने की कमाई.
हाँ. You're not typically from Mumbai, right? You're originally from Delhi.
Yes.
What was it like to come here, settle down, and find your community?
Tough.
You make friends, like you're meeting so many people who are also auditioning
You
at the same
meet
time.
no-
Example, like how does the casting person then talk to you?
बोल रहा होगा. So I'm like reading my lines and I looked up and I'm like, आप मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं?
आप मुझसे बात कर रहे
हाँ,
हैं.
sir.
He's like,
And this is
"तू-"
like early days of just coming in to Bombay and he's like, हाँ, ये line याद होगी तुमको. So I was a bit like,
Listen, I want to say even for regular standards, even for Bombay standards,
and you know, we just always.
he's the
because
more extroverted sibling,
He
is it?
is.
To find this community.
I don't know.
Because I feel
mean-
like, no, the reason I'm also asking is that it took me ages to understand that now as a creator, I need to have friends within the creator community.
Right.
Because it's one thing to have your real friends who know you from bachpan and everything, but when it comes to work and sometimes understanding the relatability factor, वो आपको अपने लोगों से ही मिलेगा जो आपकी इंडस्ट्री में काम. I know that that's still happening because I'm still having them with my friends every night. Yes, give it here, give it here.
I feel like okay. I
Yes!
feel like Delhi is. I feel at least for a working woman, I feel like Mumbai is like amazing. Like I feel like just the sense of security, the sense of freedom, the sense of like how I can conduct. I just love.
I have a
and
follow-up
privilege.
question to this. Have you had this discussion with your Delhi friends?
I have.
And when you say that you prefer
You've the changed whole life.
fashion parties,
Right.
like I find fashion parties very, very intimidating.
Right.
Because everyone's looking at you head to toe, like, what are you wearing? Where's your bag from? Is that outfit looking good?
Like good things, but I'm not going to be friends with you because you're wearing a particular kind of watch. Conversation, I like personality. I think I like people who contribute to my life and I can contribute to theirs. I think that's real friendship.
Yeah, okay there. Get to know who you would call if
Okay.
these situations happened, okay?
Nobody actually. I have a diary, all the names.
This is journaling.
Yeah, this is journaling. Like, can't trust anyone. So it's no longer a secret, right? I'm only telling my best friend. I'll call my house help because Saqib se to nahi hone wala kuch. When I'm going to spa day, who was my spa?
You need to go to the hospital. Your doctor आके pick up करने में कौन सा pick up drop service?
Yeah, I don't like buying designer items.
What?
Dilasa, mama.
Mama, post cry clarity. I will first do this and then I will have clarity.
I cry a lot. I cry when I'm upset. I cry when I'm stressed. I cry when I'm angry.
It's like hot
I
tears
don't know
coming down.
How to express myself when I'm. But then I also like so. I have a personality in which I sort of.
Yeah.
I'm not that person.
No, I get it. Holmes.
Whom's Hamzi.
I like Holmes. Can I call you Holmes? It's just coming
No.
very naturally to me.
No.
Why? Why are you being mean to me today?
No.
You're not being nice to me. I just want you to know.
It's better than yours. Your producer's laughing.
So I am sorry. Don't ask me who. Have told me that when Huma Qureshi is at this magnetic charm, क्या करते हैं आप ये parties में?
I don't know. मतलब, ask them. Nah, I don't know. I'm just being myself.
What are you like at a party though generally?
Corner. Like I'm like, come, be with us.
So everyone's like, oh, look at me, I'm so sweet, I'm so nice, like me.
And not that I feel I have to. I think I'm also still learning.
To begin with. So this it out loud, understanding it, and then woke
We're
I
not-
hate that you
Yeah.
weren't joking.
Yeah, and I've not even.
एक
Sometimes
बार
people
हो गया
don't
तो
realize
चलता
it.
है.
हाँ, and no, and if you tell them कि hey, listen, you know, you're saying this, like you could be doing this, but it's making me feel that way. So maybe that's not your intention, but
Even if I want to compliment them,
you asked me just before the interview started.
because I just feel like people are so sensitive about it.
Right, like anybody else. And I think that was something I was very clear on from the beginning. There's a lovely saying, I'm paraphrasing, but pain happens to everyone. Suffering is optional. Who's not to suffer? I'm like, ठीक है, आपको बोलना है, that's your...
But has this happened after years? Because are you saying that even in the early days, has it never happened to you that someone has come and been like, अगर आप ना 4 किलो घटा
Of course it affects you. Of course you get bothered about it. But then, you know, the proof is always in the eventual outcome, right? Friends to me, they all eat your head. Many boyfriends.
When she said, may they all eat,
Arey yaar.
we all paused there.
I don't know where she was going with
कैसे से हो यार तुम
Just
लोग?
do a little cut so we have it on. Yes.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan
I have
follows me.
arrived.
So you waited full
I waited a
12
full
hours.
day and I've gone back.
Okay.
And some guys like hitting on me or a friend, give them one.
Nice. My next question was going to be like किसी लड़के को थप्पड़ मारा
हाँ.
कितनी बार?
Fans,
Yeah.
whenever I can, even if I'm getting late or whatever, I'm like, I always stop and do a because they were not very happy.
And now when they see that, you know, okay, you guys are living this life in Bombay, do they like coming to Bombay more
Yeah,
often?
yeah.
no?
My parents are here right now. They're visiting and they're over. And I love a full house. Like my brother, my parents, my two puppies. Like I love.
Specific. I don't know if this happens to you, but like when my brother and I go on vacation, sometimes people will misunderstand and think that we are a couple.
Yeah.
And they'll be like, oh, you know, we'll give you the corner booth in this restaurant. And I'm like, ye mera bhai
Bhai
hai.
hai.
Like, what are you doing? Happens
But
to
I
you and Sakib?
recently on a chat show, and he'll be like, "What are you doing?" And I would do that, and he'll be like, "Listen, if you go away, then मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं तो बोर हो जाऊँगी." So
Instagram page called Siblings or Dating or Dating.
okay.
Okay, so I'm going to show you a series of pictures.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it'll happen, but
You feel conscious?
maybe. Maybe. Currently,
Or
I
you feel
feel.
they just fall for you, like ऐसा वाला.
Oh,
कि
wow.
फिर ऐसे-
तुम हुस्न पर.
Hey, इसका भी
Men
plug
will
in है
come.
क्या? Sponsor है कोई?
Men will come, but I feel like the men who come should be like the ones that the an ally. Let's bring him on the show. But otherwise, no. I want to waste my time or invest my time talking to women. What are your friendship deal breakers? Do you have deal breakers?
Yes.
As you bubble some more.
Yes, my deal breakers are my friends winning games that I suck. Getting the best laughter.
The power of positive thinking is that even in that statement, she said, "We are friends." She did call us friends. Huh? Don't forget, huh? Now we're friends.
Yeah, I'm
So you
also
tell
allergic
me,
to you.
You have to tell me what our friendship deal breakers are, please.
If you're friends and if you can't like champion your own people,
Yeah.
then you shouldn't be then you shouldn't call each other friends. Then you should know that this is not friendship.
By badly, you mean inappropriately.
Inappropriate behavior,
Yeah.
rude behavior. I think people not paying people on time. I think that's not cool.
Yeah.
I think someone gaslighting you, someone not like if you're not hot, it's a deal breaker. I don't want part of it.
And I'm of course not asking. I don't care about who you're dating, by the way, or if you're dating. But I'm just generally asking because if you talk, look, like, listen to the chatter right now. Okay, wow, I'm just being like shushed out by the bubbling. If you listen to the chatter right now, everyone's like, you know, God, dating's become so difficult. And as a celebrity, it feels like that must be. But like, as when you're also in the public spotlight, things change a fair bit, right? Like your partner also has to be. Sometimes I feel like secure enough to be like, you know what, my woman is shining.
100%. It's perfectly normal to feel moments and pangs of like insecurity or jealousy and all of those things. But if that's a long sense of humor, I think it's so important. I feel like people take themselves too seriously and life too seriously, and you should take everything with a pinch of salt and be able to laugh together.
Yeah. Who has been there for you when you've had your great? Yeah,
No,
okay.
because you know, can I please tell you, we put so much emphasis on our
You feel like you've manifested for yourself.
everything my whole life. I've manifested my life behind it. So when you say, oh my God, like I was always fearing this, now see, look, it's happened. You put that much energy in that fear.
You're saying because you were so nervous about it and you kept thinking and overthinking and just
Correct.
focusing
You have
on
manifested it.
that. Are you telling yourself day in and day out, like from the time you, or at least a few times in a day, like, oh, okay, you know, I'm going to do this. This is going to happen.
Onto a piece of paper. It's like my way of purging or vomiting.
When are you generally
Morning,
journaling?
early mornings.
Early
as soon as I
morning.
wake up, yeah. Early this is whatever time I wake up.
Nice. Hi.
It's also love, na?
Love.
Right,
Or just in general.
Maharani.
खुद का ही plug. Besides
तो
महारानी.
मैंने डाल दिया है।
मजाक कर रहा हूँ,
इसको
बोल
plug नहीं बोलते, इसे बोलते repetitive answer.
Repetitive answer, great, okay. और कोई जवाब है like.
Also first film, na? So special place.
My hope is that that
let me
Pasandida
tell
lady
you
will be
why I
on the
don't
show.
like to read questions, and I know you were being very kind and very gracious.
So nice, she's going to me suddenly.
To send me questions, but I prefer not to read them because I feel like then I don't want to come.
है ये shoot
कुछ
पे.
तो तूने गलत बोला. So that I don't like to. It's not out of any other reason. I just feel like I'll not be natural and I won't be myself.
Okay, take 20 seconds. Think of like, is there a woman that you admire? Because my hope is, and my manifestation maybe, is that that woman will be where you are, and I'll be asking her this question that Huma Qureshi asked.
Sweet. School friend of mine, you know, who gave up like a career in a very, very high paying career in event management to go and join an NGO, and now she's studying and doing a PhD, and I'm like, what is it that drove you to do that? Because it's very difficult to give up a lot of money to. How is it that you're still so empathetic and still so warm and you've not
Name,
led?
such a lovely question.
No, I don't want to take names. And I feel like, because I feel names are not important, because you know, like I feel all the different women in our life.
No, I want to end by saying that this has been lovely.
I don't want to go. I just said it as a joke. I want for yourself and for your entire lovely team. Such a lovely bunch of women.
Change my answer
What?
and wrap this show up. Hanging
love
out with women who fucking inspire me behind the camera, in front of the camera. So I like to now say it's a coven of goddesses, and I feel like coven of show.
My
And
honor. But वो जो बेचारे लड़कियों को थोड़ा रोटी वोटी खिला दो यार. बेचारे, उन्होंने क्या पाप किया है?
Alright, guys, it's a wrap for Huma Qureshi.
Thank you so much, and you are also my pasandida lady, Janice. Wish you all the love that